Hello everyone, I am Ms. Megha Karwal, Department of Civil Engineering from Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering, Binder. Welcome to all of you in today's lecture. Now start the next part is method of tunneling in a soft rock. In a soft rock, explosion are not used and the excavation is done with hand tools. Tunneling in a soft ground should be executed with the great care as the soft ground may collapse without any notice started cause accident. For tunneling in a soft rock, the following operations are usually done: setting up an excavation, timbering the excavated section, mucking, that is removing and the excavation material, lining a layer of timber, iron, machinery or concrete provided on inside of tunnels. For driving the tunnels in a soft rock or ground, some tunneling methods are used which provide for supports of ground as soon as the excavation is made. Following methods can be adopted for tunneling in a soft rock. First method is needle beam method. Second method is four poling method. Third method is linear plate method. Fourth method is shield method. Fifth method is American method, and sixth method is English method. So first method is needle beam method. This method is used for tunneling in a soft ground whose roof soil can stand without support for a few minutes. Work sequence is: first of all, small drift of size of about 1 meter into 1 meter is prepared on the working face of the tunnel. A needle beam consisting of two I-beam girders are bolted together with wooden blocks. The needle beam is placed horizontally whose front end rests on drift and other end is supported on vertical stud post on the lining of the tunnel. Likewise, the jack is placed in this is a jack. The jack is placed on the top of the needle beam to support the roof and drift is widened sideways and the whole section is excavated, and after that lining is provided and mucking is done. Four poling method. It is an ancient method of tunneling through running ground, but now it has been replaced by compressed air method. In this method, a frame in a letter A is prepared and placed near the face of the tunnel. The poles are then inserted at top and continue to the depth up to which they can be easily taken up, and poles are supported by vertical posts. These are the poles and supported by a vertical post. Now excavation is done under four poles and then on side for support timbering is done. In this way, full tunnel is excavated. So this is a cross section of four poling method. Next method is linear plate method. In linear plate method, timbering is replaced by standard size pressed steel plate. The pressed steel plate is 400 mm wide and 900 mm width. All four edges flanges over the 50 mm, and so this is wedges. In this method, first of all, a 400 mm deep hole is cut and the roof is trimmed carefully and crown plate is set. So here crown plate is set. Then the excavation is then widen out the adjacent plates set on each side. If there is any ground pressure on the plates are supported with the help of jack. So this is a linear plate method. This method is uneconomical as cost of liner plates are more as compared to timber. The liner plate are light, hence can be handled carefully and then can be erected by unskilled labor. They save a greater deals of excavation and concrete, and they are fireproof and can be used safely. Next method is shield method. Nowadays, tunneling in a soft rock is done with the help of mechanical device, and this mechanical device is known as a shield. Shields are used for construction of circular tunnels. Following are the main parts. First is the skin or outer shell, which is constructed with the steel plate by riveting or welding them together. Next is cutting wedges, which cuts the soft material, and third is hydraulic ram, which extend and push the shield forward to cut the materials. Next is tail. It is a last portion of the shield, and it is a placed lining is done so that roof of the tunnel may not be collapsed. Next is interstructure is constructed in such a way that it can take all types of stresses which is come over it. Generally, it consists of ring girders and which are braced together. So this is a complete structure of shield method. Next is rotary excavator. This is also type of a shield in which cutting knives are provided in additional of the cutting edges. Like this shield rotates while moving forward, therefore is called as a rotary excavator. The belt conveyor is provided within it to take away the soft earth which has been cut by the shield. In this way, these are mechanical device which can be used to construct tunnels in very soft rock. Next method is American method. This method is suitable for a large sized of railway or highway tunnels. In this method, first a drift is driven near the top. The drift is supported on a lagging scab and vertical support. So, this is a lagging and this is a vertical post which are supported to lagging cab or drift. Then widen on both sides. Gradually, the supports are provided by timbers. The process is repeated till the arch is approached. The total load is transferred to the vertical post. This is a vertical post. Next method is English method. In this method is similar to American method, but the difference is that American method is the load of the roof is supported by vertical post, while in this method support on underpinning. In this method, drift is driven at the top and support by lagging and post. Now drift is widened on both sides and supported on lagging. The work is continued till the spring point are reached. Thank you.